Hello. I'm Sanvi from Modern High School for Girls, Calcutta. I'm in grade 11. It had always been, a dream for me that, I wanted something of my own. I am an aspiring entrepreneur. My father is my inspiration for this. When I got to, so I was in class 10 only, and, there was this thing about let's go to summer programs. I felt like even I wanted to go to a summer program, and something like this would actually excite me. Upon researching, I found out that AIC and MIMS was hosting a, entrepreneurship problem solving, real world problem solving program. So I was really keen to join it. Over here, we've been, taken through different sessions where we learn every single thing about a startup, whether it is who will be your customer, how will you start a startup, what are the different steps you need to follow, the different guidelines, whether it is how to, give a pitch. Everything has been taught here in detail. And I feel this has been really, really helpful for me because, since my boys just got over in class 10, I was actually thinking of a startup in class 11. And this entrepreneur program of NMIMS is really going to help me with that. I actually have the mentors over here are really, really good. I've spoken to them and they're very, very, supportive and willing to help us in each and every idea. More than rejection and discouragement, they give us alternatives as to, what might work. And I would definitely recommend every single person to come to this program. Anybody who, wishes to start a startup in future or, wants to become an entrepreneur, thinks about these real life problems and, is keen on bringing on different solutions to it. Thank you.